Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will explain what Diagnostic Codes 93 and 94 mean and how to troubleshoot the associated gate reversal or stoppage. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. This video continues our series on troubleshooting LiftMaster gate operators. Look at the diagnostic display while attempting to run the operator. Diagnostic Code 93 indicates an RPM stall reversal. Code 94 indicates a force reversal on the secondary operator of a linear actuator system, where both arms are connected to the same control board. An RPM stall reversal typically means the gate was prevented from moving either in the open or closed direction due to a physical obstacle or resistance. The gate will stop and reverse about a foot. Codes 93 and 94 can also appear with codes 91, 92, and 34, so it is important to scroll through the diagnostic code history for a full understanding of possible causes and remedies. If upon reversing the gate encounters a second obstacle, this is a double entrapment. The same code will occur, accompanied by an alarm that will sound for 5 minutes. To resolve the issue, press the reset button to shut the alarm off if it's sounding. Check for and remove any obstructions and debris in the gate's path. Adjust the limits and force. If the problem persists, try the following. Disconnect power to the operator. Disconnect the gate from the operator and make sure the gate is able to move freely and that hinges, wheels, and all other hardware is working correctly. Make sure the gate and gate operator were installed correctly and the gate meets the specification requirements for the operator. Check for a damaged operator part such as a chain, sprocket, gear reducer, or motor. Replace parts if necessary. Once you've taken corrective action, reconnect power and run the operator to confirm the condition has been corrected. If it has, the diagnostic display will show blank. When you finish servicing an operator, be sure to access the diagnostic code history and clear it. Click the info icon for a video about accessing the diagnostic code history. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Visit liftmaster.com or the dealer extranet for more helpful information.